Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. For the next two episodes, we're going to be doing Sonic the Hedgehog. We're going to do today Sonic, set number 213 in the Brickheadz collection, but Lego set 40627. This comes with 139 pieces, and look what a great character build this is. Lots of blue in there, as you would expect. Quite different to other character builds. Just with the color of the eyes. Don't usually see different colors in the eyes, which is going to be a nice change. And then the following episode, we will do Miles' Tails Prower, set number 40628 and set number 214 in the Brickheadz collection. So these are the only two that came out for the Sonic range. And this, I think, will conclude what I have left in my Brickheadz to build. So there probably won't be any more before the end of the year, but that's okay, because then we head into Christmas season and there are some Christmas builds to do. So looking forward to this one today. Let's get on with Sonic the Hedgehog. Welcome back. Here we have Sonic the Hedgehog, set number 40627, which is number 213 in the Brickheadz range. And what a great looking character piece this is. Some good use of different techniques, which is great to see, especially with the feet here. We haven't seen this type of usage of parts with the feet and the Brickheadz. And then internally, instead of the typical grey snot pieces, we have the yellow ones, which is nice contrast for the colours during the build. I really like the eyes in this piece. I think the different coloured eyes, as opposed to just the standard black ones that we usually get, is a real nice change and really makes this piece stand out. And also this arch piece here, the way it was done was really quite clever to make sure that it was quite seamless. And that is just this large piece. It's like a lunchbox or a letterbox type piece that just sits in there. Things falling all over the place. And then this arch piece over the top and latches on here, but it does leave a piece here exposed, and that there wasn't a piece put there. I could easily put one there, just a simple 1x1 plate, but yeah, I thought that was a bit odd that would be left out. Anyway, that is all good. Put this all back together again. Great looking piece. Really like the look of this one. The head work around the back here, quite detailed. This bit here came off quite a number of times, reasonably loose. It's not really locked in place anywhere except just onto that one stud. But overall, great looking brickhead here, and look forward to having it on display. Thanks for hanging around and watching. It was about a 17-minute build, so nice and quick. Great little item for a stocking filler or something like that coming into Christmas. So with that said, we'll leave it there today, and I hope you can join me next time. Bye for now.